What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Local in the valley today. I'm out in Westfield Topanga. Man, gotta see what's up, man. I haven't checked out the malls in a while. Man, missed out on the University Blue 4s that restocked at Foot Lockers. I just wasn't out and about that day, so it is what it is. I don't know. Maybe I'll get info. I don't know. We'll see what's up, man. All right, make sure you help a boy out, press that like button, and subscribe to all that good stuff. All right, let's look around in here, see what they got. House of Hoops, and I'm surprised as hell because we haven't seen this. So many sneakers. Oh my goodness, they've always been like empty lately. Holy crap! All right, I am confused though because there are zero retros right here, just absolutely none. But they do got retros right here. Look, they got the Citra 7s. They also got the 13s, and then these mids or lows. So what the hell, dude? Why would they have it in the Jordan section? I'm confused. All right, yeah, that's weird. But all right, we'll see what they got here. Got some of the performance stuff, 36s. Then some of these, the series. So they go for 80 bucks. Some series mids go for 80 as well. Oh, and I got this colorway. I just saw this for the first time a few days ago. Okay. So this one's a low, so 175. The mids are 195 now, right? Then they got Zion ones. I've never even seen this colorway. Dang, dude, they moved on to Zion 2s and they still have a bunch of these ones. Yeah, I think I've seen this colorway. Okay. I think the 2s look significantly better. Maybe I should do like a comparison. So I do think the 2s look way better. Way better. Kind of like the shape is kind of similar, but just with this and the materials, so much better. 120 for those two, so not bad. I just don't think this colorway. I did get one of them at home, so I need to do a comparison. Then we have been seeing I almost said the Kawhis. Have been seeing the Kyries on sale. Okay, $89.99, $99.99 for that one, $100 for that one. And then colorways I haven't really seen before. I don't think I've ever seen this colorway. Like a grayish colorway, and then this one, I'm a fan of that one. Hey, this is the one that I got for the kid's birthday, huh? Yeah, I found it at the clearance store, got it for like 40 bucks or something. Apparently that fool loved it, that's what's up. Then we've seen all these LeBrons on sale lately, and even the lows, okay. And then that low right there, and then got a couple going for regular price still. I don't know what that's about. Oh wait, I didn't even show the bottom section. All of those on sale. Okay. It's crazy seeing so many Airborne up tempos. These were selling out like crazy. This is a pretty dope colorway. Kind of gray or black on gray. Kind of a dope colorway. 175 though. And then we've seen these other ones. 160 for those. All the lowlands on sale. We talk about how those kind of look like the Dunk lows. Okay. But yeah, nothing too crazy though. Nothing too crazy. All right, let's go check out some more shops. Let's go. That Foot Locker was packed as hell. This Champs ain't got nobody inside. Holy guacamole. All right, let's see what they got. The latest colorway of the MB1s. The Mellow Balls. Okay, I haven't seen. I didn't even know this came out yet. Okay, all black and a little bit of that Charlotte's color. Okay. 125 for those. Dang, even those are 550s here. Okay, 110 for these. Maybe these aren't the most desirable colorways, but mostly black and all white, and dang, they're chilling, huh? 110 a piece. Remember, like you could never find those, but of course the sneaker market has changed, we all know that. Oh, so these are on sale. Obviously not as much as that. Man, I'm gonna show these every time because that was just crazy what I got it for. That's actually a really good deal, 150, and that shows a lot because Vaporbacks never went on sale for a couple years. You just would never find them on sale. Now we're finding all kinds of Air Max on sale, man. That's crazy. Seeing a lot more performance sneakers, like running shoes and stuff like that. See a lot of Brooks. I've never seen so many Brooks here. Looks like Champ's going through some big changes because never seen a whole section like this of Brooks. Ultra Boost on sale. We've been seeing Ultra Boost on sale quite a lot lately. Actually, all the Adidas Stan Smiths right here. Okay. East LA did have a crazy sale. East LA Foot Locker did have a crazy sale on Crocs. I haven't seen it at too many other spots. That's definitely interesting, huh? Dang. Red with cement color? Like, what the heck? I've never seen that. Laker shirt. This is a pro standard shirt. These normally go for 50. Yeah, it is 50 bucks. We've seen these before. I guess that's the newest one. This is pretty dope. This one's 60 with all that rug material on the front. That's pretty dope. I also love these Laker baseball jerseys, which is freaking dope. This is a pro standard. $90 for this. 90 bucks. That's fire, dude. That is fire. Definitely too cheap to pay retail for that stuff. Also got Laker shorts right here. Dude, man, I kind of regret not getting one more of these for $30. But yeah, man, all regular price $80 for the shorts. It's pretty dope. Dang, it has every one of the freaking emblems on it. It's all sewn on and stuff too. Man, dude, this has to be like $100 bucks. That's crazy. $190. Holy crap. That is a ton of work. Oh my goodness, that's way more than that. But it makes sense because they have to sew each one of these on. So gonna take a lot of manpower. Man, that is crazy. $160 for the t-shirts. Woo, crazy. They do got a Mac Park. It is crazy huge. I don't feel like dealing with resale today. Go to Finishline. See what they got here. And I swear the store never has anything, but yeah, we'll still look around. Last chance section. Man, like, come on now, give us some sales. Got these going for 85, but no real sales. Damn, dude. 80 for these. Man, T-Max. Dang, dude, just not much already. Just off right off the start. Yeah, this might be super quick. We saw these for 100 at Shoe Palace. But yeah, other than that, I think we're done. That's it. All right, you guys will probably see this a few days later because yeah, I'm banking all kinds of videos because I'm gonna be out of town for a bit. Headed out of town this upcoming weekend, which is probably when you guys will see this. All right, let's go see what they got at the Shoe Palace right here. See what they got. All kinds of J's here. They got the Citrus 7s, 13s right here. This is the newest one that came out. Looks alright. Looks okay. This is the Ginger 14s. And then they had the mids right there, the inside out mids. And the customer is trying them on, I guess. Oh, okay, so once I'm patient, it does work out. They do have one of these, a size 9.5. I'm telling you, these look dope, dude. These look dope. Material kind of like the toe box area right there, or the toe guard area. Not too great, but the suede isn't that great either. Looks fantastic though. Looks fantastic. Material kind of feels Do got the exclusive Shoe Palace release of the forums right here. 1993 when they just started, when Shoe Palace just, dang dude, Shoe Palace is, I didn't know they were that young. But yeah, man, $100 for these. Use premium material. If you compare this with this, just so much nicer. But yeah, $90. As long as you don't mind the yellowed midsole right there. And then we've seen a ton of Vans on sale lately. Got the Skate Lows, $30. Mo for $30. Another colorway. Old schools right here, $30. Some more old schools. These are 50. This is all really nice suede though. Huge Skate Low right here, size 13, go for 40. These are all normal like 65, $7, right? Yeah. Got another one right here. Then what are these? The Mason articles, going for 70. Man, they've been pushing this. They've been pushing the clothes too. And they've had them for a while now. I swear they've had this specific one forever. The Gel Light 3s down to $40. Kind of like a 49ers colorway. I swear they've had these forever. The Kayano 27s down to $90. These are normally like what, $150 or something? So that's not bad. This is a premier running shoe. I believe that's their max cushion, right? I think so. But yeah, another one. Go for 80, what? $89.98. Okay. Bruce Lee merch on sale. If I did have the Kobe Bruce Lees, I probably would pick up one of these jackets. This jacket's actually pretty freaking dope. Yeah, I probably would. It's not lined or anything though, so it's not like the highest quality, but they're also not expensive either. If I can find a price tag. All right, they got 2 jackets, no price tag, man. They don't want me to show how much they are, I guess, huh? But they were like 50 or 60 bucks. They weren't that expensive. These are on sale. I think all this stuff is on sale, right? But yeah, they do got Bruce Lee merch on sale. Yeah, see, there we go. Normally 50 down to 20 for this hoodie right here. This a little much, but that's pretty dope. Dude, Mitchell and S, buy one get one free. Mitchell and S, really? These are the ones where you get the name all over your goods, though. I'm kind of good with that. I would like a Lakers on the side or something, but buy one get one free. Buy one get one free. They do have Lakers right here. These are $70. They also got what's this? The Raiders. Got Clippers, and then also got one leftover Bulls right here. This one's the dopest one. That's the dopest one, just because it has that little extra touch with the diamonds on the bottom. This one, it just has Lakers on the front and then the stripes. That's it. The Nike hoodies, got a few of these on sale. 65 down to 45, like nothing too crazy. Yeah, this is down to $55. All right, nothing too crazy. All right, I think we're done. We're gonna have to go to one more spot because I don't have enough time, dude. I want these videos to be at least 10-12 minutes long. So we'll stop by one more spot. Ooh, the Jordan 4 backpacks. That's the cool gray one. I got that one. But didn't pay regular price, man. Regular price like 90 bucks. All right, let's go to the next spot. Some of y'all been finding stuff at Burlington and Ross. All right, we in Van Nuys. Let's go. Got a crying baby in the background. All right, these did stick out. Not too bad. Material, not the greatest. Normally $40, I think I saw a price tag of normally $40. Yep. And it's on sale for 10 bucks. That's like what, a double XL and regular XL. They got them in large as well. Luka Doncic shorts. This is a fleece. I think it's the same name brand. Yeah, same name brand. Normally 40 down to 15. Those are pretty dope. That's a large. I thought I'd check apparel to see if they had any dope jerseys. They just got these super low end ones. Same company. These are about 12 bucks. That's a medium. Also got Lakers going for $10 extra bootleg looking. It's a Westbrook. Another large Curry Lakers shirt. No, it's like a dry fit material. Same brand. What, 10 bucks. All right, not really seeing any dope jerseys. Ross has always been a really good spot for socks. $8 for, I don't know how many. I don't know, there's a bunch right here. Was that a 10 pack for 8 bucks? Holy guacamole. There's, you got Adidas as well. $11 for a 6-pack. And if you want like the really random socks, okay. Some Top Ramen socks. Dang, dude, my kid does like Top Ramen. Oh, these Street Fighter socks are actually pretty dope. These is $5 as well. Stone Cold Steve Austin. Frank's Red Hot. I actually got a pretty good selection. That's funny. Okay. South Park. These would match with those Adidas South Parks. Sneaker section, not looking good. Dang, dude, not looking good. RBX. More RBX. Alright, I tried, man. Nothing to show you in the sneaker section. Got some Air Force Ones, not really. Alright, we're out. Are kids nowadays too lazy to freaking buy solo cups and ping pong balls? Really? Like $7. Like, you can get solo cups for cheap, right? Might be worth it because the ping pong balls, to be honest. We'll try Burlington. Like, I haven't come to these stores too often because the success rate is super low, but we'll try. Straight to the sneakers, size 10, 10 and a halves. Nothing. Less than nothing. Oh my goodness. This is why I don't go to too many of these stores, because I'd have to go to like 12 of these just to make like one video to find stuff. Got some Filas right here. What these going for? $40 for these Filas, really? Of course, plenty ORBX right here. Oh, do got some Dreamers. got some Dreamers. Security tag already going off on me. No price tag on it. This is a size 7. But I was showing you guys, these were at Foot Locker for 10, 20 bucks, right? Like, y'all should have been watching. Got some Levi shoes. These are size, what, 12? Are these doper than the Levi 4s? The Jordan 4 Levi's? More Levi's, some smaller ones go for 22. Got some USPA Yeezys right here, or wannabe Yeezys. And then just some Adidas that have clearly been worn or not been taken care of. Yeah, that's been worn. All right, now we're done. We're done.